like this, so get the other scene. Woke up feeling like this. Boom, boom, boom. Woke up feeling like this.
So guys, you know what to do. Just show SNOILLIBS and back again with another
reaction video.
Sir. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please do yourself a favor and subscribe because you're not gonna be disappointed.
Sir.
For those who don't know us, I'm William testing engagement IG and other platforms as well as
and I'm Marcus Kesha on IG is crazy_identity.
And I'm Crazy Kesha on IG as Tesla Crazy. And if you really want to follow us, you can find our handles in the bio description.
Yes, sir.
But anyway, guys, today we're reacting to XG, the first Howl, woke up the first Howl live performance.
Yes, sir.
So without wasting time,
let's get to it.
Sure.
The song never gets old.
Never. And I love the performances, bro.
And the choreography as well.
Music, by the way, this one's a fan cam. Try to waste no time to get straight to business, bro. Energy.
It's always the case with XG, bro.
Right away. This one, right away. Better out of space. Hey, kiss my makeup and away. How good is that? To that XG. Yeah. Yeah. I think she's wearing. It's giving vibes of Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah.
I think we need to look for a better fan cam, man.
Like this, so get the other scene. Woke up feeling like this. Boom, boom, boom. Woke up feeling like this, so get the other scene. Woke up feeling like this. Try it out, so see. Yeah. Yeah, so get the other scene. That's a thing of this. Don't matter of it. And the kids.
Let's go. The fans are going crazy.
Bro, they're not there for them, bro. Yeah. Coca-Cola. Woke up feeling like this. Woke up feeling like this. So then get out of my skin. Woke up feeling like this. Dum dum dum.
Let's go.
Nah, she's a performer, guys.
XG are the best female band
performers, bro.
Female band. Come tell me who does better than XG.
Nah, bro.
There's no one that does better than XG.
Bro, they give you adrenaline, bro.
They give you
give you goosebumps, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Move for move, bro. Move for move. I'm telling you.
We gotta find a better fan cam or the actual visual for this, because damn, it looks like it was crazy, right?
Crazy,
even the crowd was giving.
Alpha's work showing love,
bro. You know, couldn't even hear the song. They were singing the whole crowd. You know, most of the other performances, you can literally hear them, and
the
crowd is not giving. Why? Because that the performance is not really there. It's not giving. But then you see
actually lit up the club. But there was the crowd, bro. The crowd.
Even if it's the club,
bro. They lit it up, bro.
They lit it up, bro. Damn. This is XG. I love these girls, bro. Can't wait for one day when I attend that tour and film me or performance.
It'll be fire.
Definitely. Sure. This was beautiful, but we'll look for a better clip or fan cam or an actual live performance of this specific one. I will give it to you guys. But without wasting your time, thank you so much for requesting.
If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, share,
subscribe,
and do all the good stuff.
Don't forget to turn notifications on it every time we drop.
Yes, sir. And catch us on the next one.
We are out of here. Do say, sir.